Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Nicole Patrick and you are welcome. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make this braided wig. And you guys, I really love this wig. I don't know how to describe how much I love this wig. I think this is my favorite wig right now. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. And after watching this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it. Thank you so much, and let's get started. To start with, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my extension into 4 parts. This is Dali Superstar extension and is the color 30. I'm also going to mix the extension together. I'm mixing it with this black color. Before I mix both colors together, I'm going to stretch the extension to get rid of the blunt ends. So this is what it's going to look like after mixing both colors together. Now I'm going to go ahead and start braiding the wig. Before I start braiding the hair, I'm going to take this small amount of hair and use my crochet pin to install it. Then I'm going to take this amount of hair to braid it. It actually depends on the size you want. I'm gonna use my concealer to define where I want the part to be. That way I don't get confused when I get to the middle part. So I wanted this front area to look real as possible, to look like a lace closure or a lace frontal. So I went ahead and used my crochet pin to install some baby hair in the front. This is totally optional. If you don't like it, you don't need to do it. Now I'm going to put the hair in hot water. After that, I'm going to use my scissors to trim it a little bit, and that will be all. So guys, this is all for this video, and please don't forget to share and like, and let me know what you think about this wig in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.